Brilliance comes to life on Moto G31. Your favorite films, videos, and games are sharp and vivid on the 6.4-inch FHD Plus OLED display. Stay charged through the weekend on the 36-hour battery and enjoy the ultra responsive and performance and thanks to the speedy processor. Plus, take stunning photos in any light with the 50 megapixel triple camera setup. Power and speed at your command. Stay charged for 36 hours on the 5000 mAh battery and feel the speed of the ultra responsive processors. Play games, stream videos, snap photos, chat with your friends, all without missing a beat. A better, brighter view. Bring your entertainment to life on a 6.4-inch Max Vision OLED display. On this display of the Motorola G31, it's having 6.4-inch Max Vision display, OLED, bright color and sharp contrast type of display. Full HD plus stunning images. Power and speed at your command. Stay charged for 36 hours on the 5000 mAh battery and feel the speed of the ultra responsive processors. Play games, stream videos, snap photos, chat with your friends, all without missing a beat. Capture stunning photos. Every detail is enhanced by 50 megapixel triple camera setup. Your perspective in focus. Get clear shots from any angle with the 50 megapixel of triple rear camera setup or 50 megapixel sensor. In low light, details are sharpened by the quad pixel technologies. Take in a wider view, fitting 4 times more in the frame than a standard lens. The 118 degrees of ultra-wide angle lens lets you capture more of what your eyes see. Keep your focus, turn snapshots into the professional looking portraits. Backgrounds are blurred automatically by the adjustable depth sensors. Your world in detail, 50 megapixel quad pixels, and you can enhance your photos and videos. The features you want. Your phone, your experience with my UX, your phone works the way you want. Control it with simple gestures, customize your entertainment settings, and create a look that's one in a million. Next, water repellent. Worry proof. Your phone is protected from spills or splashes by its water repellent designs. Third, feel closer to your music using the Dolby Atmos. Put on your headphones and enjoy enhanced depth and clarities along with the three-dimensional sound of Dolby Atmos. Fourth and the last one, side-mounted touch access. Unlock your phone with the fingerprint, no need for a password, or open a shortcut menu with a double tap. When you talk about the specifications features, the colors available for this smartphone is BB blue and the mineral gray. And performance. Operating system is Android 11 with easy access to the Google apps you use most. Processor is MediaTek Helio G85 processor with a 2.0 GHz which is gigahertz octa-core CPU and ARM Mali G52 MC2 GPU. And security purpose is having fingerprint reader and face unlock. Internal storage is 64 or 128 gigabytes built in. Expandable storage up to 1 terabyte micro SD card expandable using the micro SD card, and memory is 4 GB. Memory means RAM. Sensors on the phone include the fingerprint sensor, proximity sensor, accelerometers, ambient sensors, SAR sensor, gyroscope, e-compass. When you talk about the battery size is 5000 mAh, charge type is 10 watt charger, charging is 10 watt, support and 36 hours of battery life. Display size is 6.4 um, max vision, and display technology is OLED 60 Hz refresh rate and 20:9 aspect ratio. Resolution is FHD plus 2400 by 1080 pixels, 409 ppi pixels per inch, and pixel density, and screen to body ratio is active area touch panel a hyphen TP, which is 88.8%, And design, it is having the weight of 181 grams. Body is plastic. Ports a type C port, USB 2.0. Water protection is water repellent design, which is before. And a dimension is 161.89 by 73.87 by 8.55 millimeters. Cameras includes rear cameras, hardware which is 50 megapixel sensors, quad pixel technology (PDAF), and 8 megapixel depth shooter, 118 degree of ultra wide angle, and a macro lens of 2 megapixel and single LED flash. Rear camera video software, shooting modes, macros, slow motions, and other features include the video snapshot, video stabilizations. Front camera video capture FHD 30 frames per second. Front camera hardware 13 megapixel f by 2.2 aperture 1.12 UM, and rear camera video capture, rear main cameras FHD, rear ultra wide angle cameras FHD, rear macro cameras SD, which is 30, all are 30 frames per second. Rear camera softwares, shooting modes, dual capture, spot color, night vision, macro visions, cinematograph, cutout, portrait, live filter, panorama, AR stickers, pro mode, and AI is there for this phone, which is smart composition, short optimizations, auto smile capture, and Google Lens integrations. Other features include the high resolution digital zoom, up to 8 times HDR, RAW, photo output, timer, active photos, burst, shot, assistive grid, leveler, watermark, barcode scanners, and assistive grids. And front camera softwares, shooting modes, dual capture, sport color, night vision, cinematograph, portrait, live filter, group selfies, pro mode. And front camera video software, shooting modes, time lapse, slow motions, other features include video snapshot and video stabilizations. And for the front camera capture, there's two more things. Two more things means including the AIs and more rare features. So AI, it is having the low light AI selfies, short out optimization, auto smart capture, gesture capture. Other rare features include the RAW photo output, face beauty, a selfie animation, timer, active photos, assistive grids, leveler, watermark, and burst shot. Now into the audio, speakers include the bottom ported loudspeaker, which is Dolby Atmos, headphone jack is 3.5 millimeters, headset jack, and microphone is two microphones. Experiences is that it's having a voice control, which is Google Assistant, a smarter screen display, quick gestures with the power touch, quick capture, fast torch, three finger screenshot, a flip for DND, pick up to silence, left to unlock, swipe to split. Connectivity options include the location servers, GPS, eGPS, LTE, PP, SUP, GLONASS, Galileo. NFC is there. SIM card is hybrid dual SIM, 2 nano SIMs, nano SIM plus 1 micro SDs. You can put like that. And Wi-Fi 802.11 A by AC 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz, and Wi-Fi hotspot. Bluetooth technology, Bluetooth version 5.0. What you get in the box when you buy it, you get the Moto G31, the phone itself, protective cover, charger, USB cable, guides, and SIM ejector tools, the SIM tools. So, if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos and like, and that's all. My name is Jones. This is Tech and Server. Catch you in the next one.